Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go! Jump! 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go, jump! Jump! Come on! Okay, go na under the table. Under the table now. Come on, we're playing obstacle course. Go under the table. Go under the table now. Come on, you can do it.
What?
Go under the table. Go down. Go down now from the trampoline. You can do it. Come on. Come on, honey. You can do it. And now, go under the table. Crawl. You have to crawl here. Crawl under the table. Come on. Crawl under the table, honey. Don't touch it now. Go under the table. I'm gonna buy a table, please. Come on, go under the table.
I want coffee.
Okay, go under the table. Okay, go. Hailey is doing obstacle course. Now, we're going here. We're going to the bridge. This is your bridge, okay? Okay. Okay. Stand up there. Oh, you stand up there. Come on. Come on, go to the bridge, okay? Go. That's your bridge. Go up.
Come here.
Oh, I'm holding your hand. Go, Hailey, ano? Hailey, come on. Ano ba? You can do it. Hailey. Go. Go, step. Go. Next. Come on. So Hailey is doing her exercise, crossing the table. Are you having fun? Now go to the bridge. I go to the under the table again. Crawl under the table again. Here, under the table. Now I need to move this. Go under the table again. Go. Where are you, Hailey? Then here. And then you sit here in the blue ball. Yeah, 20 times. 20 times. Huh?
Why you gonna win the ball?
It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. Sweet. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, go to the trampoline. Come on. Jump, huh? 20 counts.
Why I cannot do it?
Go. Because you need to go to the door. Where's the door of the trampoline? Go. Knock, knock. Go under. Oh, jump. 20 counts. Okay, face mommy here. Face mommy, honey. Honey here.
What is this?
That's just a toy. Here. Come on, honey.
Here?
Later. Face mommy. Look at mommy. Honey, look here. Look at mommy. Here. Hold my hand. Okay, hold my hand. Hold my hand. Here. Here. You hold here. Yan. Okay, jump. Smile. This is Hailey doing exercise. She is very good girl. She's doing her trampoline exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you happy? 11. Come on. Jump. 14, 15, 16, 7. Come on. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, go na. Under the table. We are now playing obstacle course with Hailey. She is very, very good doing her obstacle course. She is very, very good. And now, she's going under the table. Hailey, come on. Go under the table. It's broken na. Let's ball. Come on. Okay, you can play that. You can play that later. Go. Ay, finish your obstacle course. Come on now, let's play games. Here. Come on. Oh, go. Okay, go under the table first. Go. Ready, go. Under the table. Come on, here, lady. Ay, under the table first. Oh, sige, bridge. Okay, go. Because you put down your ball. Okay, come on. Why you put your ball there, see? Okay, come on. So this is Hailey doing her obstacle course. Go to your blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball, swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, sitting down position. Sitting down position. Okay. Sitting down like this. Okay? Oh, come on, here. Sit down. Okay. 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's dirty. 6, 7, 8. Don't put it in your mouth. 10, 11. Dirty, anak. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, go na to the under the table. Under the table now.